friends, and welcome back to my channel. So we are in my bathroom today and we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I am actually going to try out the Madison Reed Hair Color. Now, as you can see, my roots are in desperate need of some color. I am not naturally this dark of a color for my hair. I am actually more of like a dirty blonde color. I'll insert a picture so you can see what my natural hair color is. I do color my hair. My hair is definitely not this dark normally. However, I've had it dark for about 7 or 8 years now, and I can't see myself being blonde any longer. I like it dark. So normally I have my hair done professionally at a salon that I've been going to for quite some time, but Madison Reed contacted me and wanted me to try out their product and give like an honest review on it. So what I did was I went online, I did like a little questionnaire, and it matched me up with the perfect color, and they went and sent me a package, and so we're gonna try that out. Now I have colored my hair by myself before, so I kind of know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a step-by-step with what I'm doing using the Madison Reed product. So when you first open up the box, this is what it looks like on the inside. It has a little instruction guide that's right on top. It has the conditioning color activator, which is in a little bottle like this one right here. It has some gloves, which come in a nice little box. I like this. One thing I've noticed with at-home hair coloring kits is that the gloves are usually on the inside of the little instruction page, and you have to open it all up and kind of like peel them out. I like that they come in a little box, so it's like makes them easy to get to. Also, the Madison Reed color comes with a cap, which is really nice. Here is my Radiant Cream color. So this is the actual color that you're going to mix with the activator right here. And the color that I actually chose is the Pescara Black. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's 2NNA. This is the color that when I did the little questionnaire that they recommended for me. Okay, it comes in like a little tube like this right here. Again, I always just make sure that the number on the tube matches the number on the box, and I always do that whenever I do any kind of at-home hair coloring. Also, there is some barrier cream, which this is another nice thing that not many at-home hair coloring kits give you. I know when I do my hair on my own in the past, I tend to get like dark, especially if you're doing a dark color, I tend to get like this dark like staining around my face from the hair color. So this is what the barrier cream is gonna help with. So they give you some cleansing wipes. Now I'm assuming that the cleansing wipes are to help you clean up, like once you get the hair color in your hair, the cleansing wipes will help you like clean up your face area of any like spills or excess that kind of gets on your face. And then they give you a color protecting shampoo in a little pouch, and also a color protecting conditioner, which shampoo. So I like that you get the shampoo and the conditioner, especially with dark hair color. I feel like once you get the hair color out, when like you're rinsing it out in the shower, I feel like it doesn't really get it out completely unless you use a shampoo. So that's what I really like that they included a shampoo with. Okay, so before I actually get started, I'm kind of just going over the little instruction booklet that comes with the products. It kind of gives you step-by-step instructions on what you need to do if you've never colored your hair before. It's probably a good idea to do the sensitivity and strand test that they recommend on this page right here. I have my hair colored all the time, so I'm not gonna do that. I know that my scalp usually takes fine to most hair coloring products, so I'm gonna skip that one this time. As I'm kind of just going through this quickly, I'm just looking to see what they suggest I do first, but I'm gonna actually kind of do the routine that I would normally do when I color my hair out. It gives 2 options. You can either do a touch-up color or an all-over color. Now, for me, my hair is longer. If I was to do an all-over color, I would probably use 2 kits for my hair. However, I'm just doing a root touch-up, so one kit is, I'm sure, plenty. And also it mentions in here that the maximum you should keep it in your hair is up to 45 minutes if you have like stubborn gray coverage. I have just light color that's coming through here, and my hair usually takes really good to hair color, so I'm sure 30 to 35 minutes will be fine for what I'm doing. All right, so a couple other things that I'd like to have on hand if I do my own hair coloring is I like to have a comb that has this long pointy end on it. And this is nice so that you can separate your hair easily when you're applying the color. And I also have a little clip here to keep hair that I'm not coloring at that moment out of the way. All right, so another thing that I'm really liking already from this company is they give you multiple pairs of gloves. There's actually 2 pairs. So there's one that you can use when you're applying the product, and then you have to let it sit for a while, and you can take those ones off, throw them away. And then there's another pair that you can use when you're, like for me, when I get in the shower, I actually like to kind of scrub it in my hair a little bit, and like mix it around before I rinse it out. So that's what's nice to have a second pair of gloves. So that way, especially if you have nails, and this one of my biggest pet peeves and one of the reasons why I don't do my own hair is because I hate getting hair color in my nails that I spend a lot of money to have done. So it's nice to have an extra pair of gloves. Okay, so I have my hair kind of put back in my clip, and I'm actually gonna use the barrier cream next, and I'm gonna just apply it just around my hairline so that way I can avoid getting the color on my skin. I'm just going around the area that I know I tend to get color on. And also down here on your neck, I often get color down there as well. So use some of the barrier cream down there. Now I know I've also used like Vaseline or petroleum jelly for this in the past. So I really like that they include this in the kit. Kind of combed through my hair already so that it's easily, there's no tangles and stuff in it, so that I can work with it easily. On your color conditioning activator, at the very top, there's a little twist off cap. Another nice feature, most of them you have to pop off. So I'm actually gonna take the whole cap off. My color cream. This one does have a sealed piece, so you just use the end of the cover and just go in there and twist it open. There's your color cream. Empty the entire tube right down into the activator. You put the cap back on. Now keep the top cap on because you're gonna shake this up to mix it. Just give it a few shakes just to mix it up. You can also mix this in a bowl with a brush if you prefer. I'm not doing that since I'm just doing my roots. If you're doing longer portions of your hair or a full head cover, a brush might be nice. And it's also a good idea to have like a rag or a towel that doesn't matter if you get hair color on it. Also make sure that you have either a button-down shirt or a shirt that you can take off. I've got my color mix right here ready to go, and my little comb. Now I always start, when I color my hair myself, I always start where my natural part is. So I'm actually going to work towards the right. I'm gonna take a little strip like that, kind of hold it to the side, and I'm gonna take my coloring and I'm just gonna kind of go right down my root area and take my fingers and kind of just blend that right into my root. And I'll flip that one over. I'll do another strip. And I basically just work down one side of my head, and then I'll work down the other side, and then I'll do the back. This is what I like, having a comb with a point, make nice sections to work with. It's definitely much easier to color your hair on your own if you have even parts to work with. Now the real test will be how long will this color last. Now I know it depends on my hair growth and all of that. But I am leaving on a cruise in less than 2 weeks, and I'm hoping that this hair color stays fresh and lasts long enough so that I don't have to have it redone before we go. All right, so I have 1/2 of my hair all done, and one thing that I've noticed with this product is it doesn't have a strong like ammonia smell to it, which is really nice. I know very often the at-home kits have a really strong smell. You have to keep your windows open. All right, I am gonna start working on the other half of my hair, and I've got this side all complete. I actually work down to just below my ear, and then I stop and I'll do the other side, and then I'll kind of hold that back and we'll work on the back. So I'm using one of the cleansing wipes just to clean up a little bit of this overspill around my face. Front whole portion of my hair done now. And so now I'm actually gonna work on the back. What I like to do is I'll take my comb, I'll start at like the crown of my hair. The same as I did going down the sides, I will just do strips that go all the way across until I get down to the back of my neck. I'll take my clip and I'll kind of just hold what I've worked on towards the front. Okay, so I have all of the hair coloring covering all of my roots, top, bottom, sides. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to just bring my hair back. I'm gonna put it all up in my little clip like this. And I'm gonna take my hair net and cover up my hair with it just so that it has time to sit. And we're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. All right, so the hair color has been sitting in my hair for about 30 minutes now. I'm gonna put my gloves on, hop in the shower and wash it out and see how it turns out. One thing I do wanna mention, this hair color does not burn, it does not itch, it does not tingle or anything like I'm normally used to when I do my own hair with a store-bought box brand, which I really like. So no smell and no burning, tingling sensation. So I just got out of the shower, I just rinsed all of the color out of my hair, and I want to give bonus points to Madison Reed for the shampoo and conditioner. The smell is amazing. I would totally buy the shampoo and conditioner on its own. Yeah, really nice. The shampoo I have enough actually for another wash. However, I did use up all of the conditioner in one treatment, but I have to say the color looks really, really good. You cannot see a difference. It blends so nicely with my existing hair color that I had. Now I don't blow dry my hair usually, so I'm actually just gonna let it air dry and then I'll go ahead and style it. But from what I can tell as of right now, this color is really, really good. And I think, all right, so I've just finished styling my hair. I let it air dry. I don't have any product in it right now. The only thing that I did to it was I let it air dry and then I just flat ironed it and then did like a little flat iron curl to it at the bottom. But yeah, it came out really, really nice. It's super shiny, really, really healthy feeling. I am very, very, very impressed with the Madison Reed hair color. I will definitely be using it again. And I'm also going to see if I can purchase some of the shampoo and conditioner that comes in the packet because I love it. It's just so, it makes your hair so soft and just so nice feeling.
I will leave a link in the description box below so you can try out the products yourself. And if you use the code PixieDust, you'll get 15% off plus free shipping.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and go over and follow my Instagram page, The Pixie Dust Housewife. I will tell you that I'm going to be having a couple of giveaways going on here very soon, so make sure you go over to Instagram, The Pixie Dust Housewife, and follow that. But thank you so much, Madison Reed, for letting me try your product. I am really happy.